It's really kind of meaningful and kind of mystical at the same time. It's a little song about the Wild West and settling of the Western United States, where the margaritas keep the spirit high. And things get a little raggedy Andy after that. Okay, so let's give it a try.
Yeah.
I've been in this town so long, I'm back in the city. I've been taken for lost and gone and unknown for a long, long time. I fell in love years ago with an innocent girl from the Spanish and Indian home of the heroes and villains. Then I could spread the light, and she was right in the rain of the bullets that eventually brought her down. And she's still dancing in the night, unafraid of what a dude'll do in a town full of heroes and villains. Heroes and villains, just see what you've done, done. Heroes and villains, just see what you've done, done. Na 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 na. Stand up all out there, there'll be peace in the valley. It's all an affair of my life with the heroes and villains. In the cantina, margaritas keep the spirit high. There I watched her, she spun around and wound in the warm body bath, the flame of the day. Dance, Margarita, don't you know that I'm in love with you? Dance.
You're under arrest.
My children were raised, you know they suddenly rise. They started slow long ago, head to toe, healthy, wealthy, and wise. I've been in this town so long to the city. I'm fit with the stuff to ride in the rough and sunny down snuff. I'm alright by the heroes and villains. Just see what you've done, done. Bicycle rider, just see what you've done, done. To the Church of the American Indian.